Welcome to your A2 shadowing practice, Episode 5. Train your pronunciation and speaking with me. Repeat after each sentence.
Health and daily care.
I try to eat healthy food daily. I try to eat healthy food daily. I drink enough water every day. I drink enough water every day. I go to bed before 11. I go to bed before 11. I wake up early and feel fresh. I wake up early and feel fresh. I do simple exercises at home. I do simple exercises at home. I stretch my body in the morning. I stretch my body in the morning. I walk at least 30 minutes. I walk at least 30 minutes. I take vitamins in the morning. I take vitamins in the morning. I avoid too much sugar and salt. I avoid too much sugar and salt. I cook meals with fresh vegetables. I cook meals with fresh vegetables. I visit the doctor once a year. I visit the doctor once a year. I describe my symptoms clearly. I describe my symptoms clearly. I follow the doctor's advice. I follow the doctor's advice. I take medicine on time daily. I take medicine on time daily. I rest when I feel tired. I rest when I feel tired. I listen to my body carefully. I listen to my body carefully. I try to reduce daily stress. I try to reduce daily stress. I breathe slowly and deeply. I breathe slowly and deeply. I keep a healthy daily routine. I keep a healthy daily routine. I feel stronger every week. I feel stronger every week.
Phone calls and appointments.
I call the clinic in the morning. I call the clinic in the morning. I ask to make an appointment. I ask to make an appointment. I speak slowly on the phone. I speak slowly on the phone. I repeat information if needed. I repeat information if needed. I confirm the date and time. I confirm the date and time. I write the details in my notebook. I write the details in my notebook. I arrive 10 minutes early. I arrive 10 minutes early. I wait calmly for my turn. I wait calmly for my turn. I explain my problem clearly. I explain my problem clearly. I ask questions about treatment. I ask questions about treatment. I thank the doctor politely. I thank the doctor politely. I call my friend after work. I call my friend after work. We talk about our plans. We talk about our plans. I leave a message if no one answers. I leave a message if no one answers. I check my voicemail later. I check my voicemail later. I send a short text message. I send a short text message. I reply quickly and clearly. I reply quickly and clearly. I use polite phrases on calls. I use polite phrases on calls. I practice phone conversations aloud. I practice phone conversations aloud. I feel more confident speaking. I feel more confident speaking.
Asking for directions and help.
I ask for directions politely. I ask for directions politely. I say, "Excuse me," before speaking. I say, "Excuse me," before speaking. I ask how to get downtown. I ask how to get downtown. I listen carefully to instructions. I listen carefully to instructions. I repeat the directions softly. I repeat the directions softly. I check the map on my phone. I check the map on my phone. I turn left at the corner. I turn left at the corner. I walk straight for 2 blocks. I walk straight for 2 blocks. I cross the street carefully. I cross the street carefully. I look for a big blue sign. I look for a big blue sign. I ask again if I'm confused. I ask again if I'm confused. I thank the person for help. I thank the person for help. I offer help to tourists. I offer help to tourists. I explain directions slowly. I explain directions slowly. I use simple and clear words. I use simple and clear words. I smile and stay friendly. I smile and stay friendly. I stay calm in new places. I stay calm in new places. I learn from real situations. I learn from real situations. I practice speaking every day. I practice speaking every day. I improve step by step. I improve step by step.
Great work today! This was English shadowing practice for A2 learners. Remember, shadowing is about repetition. Practice again and speak with confidence. See you in the next shadowing session.